Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel Labeautybiz. Today I'm going to show you how to shape and tint eyebrows like a pro. But that's not all. I'm also going to show you how you can turn this skill into profitable side hustle, making anywhere from $20 to $50 per session, right from your own home. Let's start with what you will need: a good pair of tweezers, small scissors, tinting dye, a mixing dish, applicators, and brow brush. These tools are affordable and easy to find, making this an ideal service to offer even if you're just starting out. First, we will shape the brows. I like to brush the brows upwards and trim any longer hair to create a clean line. Remember, shaping is the key to a polished look, so take your time, don't rush. Now it's time to tint. I will mix the shade that complements my model's natural brow colors. Using a small brush, I will carefully apply the tint, making sure to coat every hair evenly. After letting it sit for about 10 minutes or so, we will wipe off the excess and reveal the final look. When you work with tint, don't be afraid if you go out of the shape. You always can use cotton tip to wipe out any excess of tint from the skin and create sharp shape desired for your clients, and repeat the process for the other side. Same way, go through every hair, apply as much as you need the tint so it goes through every hair on the eyebrows. When the type is up, you can remove the tint with distilled water or special tint removal gently to check the result. Follow up with a waxing of your choice, either soft wax, either hard wax, whenever you like to do more. Then, you can gently remove any stray hairs outside the desired shape with the tweezers. So here is the exciting part. This service only takes about 20 minutes to complete, and you can charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per session, depending on where you are and the quality of your work. Imagine doing this just a few clients a week from home. You could easily add an extra few $100s to your monthly income. Isn't it great? all you need is a small space at home, some basic tools, and a little practice. Start with friends and family to build your confidence and your portfolio. Before you know it, you will have a steady stream of clients coming to you for this quick and easy service. So whether you are looking to up your beauty game or start a new side hustle, eyebrow shaping and tinting is a great way to do. It's fun, creative, and most importantly profitable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe to Labeautybiz, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you!